Court 4, Jen, Patrick, Mami Jane, and Daniel to court 4, please. Your next game will be your last game players. Your next game will be your last game players.
Buwasan na yung nakaraan eh.
Pito pa.
Kaya na eh, medyo nga hindi nagalaw. Pinangganin. Yung jibit mo ni. Pero ako, nalagyan ko lang yung bakit. Sana all. Para sa Santa Nacion eh. Ayaw ko eh. Hindi ba yung kayo kasi? Mas dulo ka.
Sabihin mo ano?
Papayagan ko.
Kasi testing.
Testing lang kung kaya talaga.
Hindi na lang naman palo ko eh. Malakas mo siya mga palo. Meron pa siya nun.
Ako na, hindi na yung gate eh. Kung paano yung dun.
Weekend ka sa akin. Weekend ka sa akin. Oh, sorry. Ay, kasi ina mo dito kasali.
Kesa sumali ka kami mawawala. Wala ka.
Anong mga sila?
Hinabula yun. Tabang sila ulo, diba? Bye-bye.
Pero nung doon sa akin, nakatawa kasi sa di ba?
Ang libro to, tagal na sa akin. Sabi mo baga.
Ano na malala? Yung tagal mo kasi si Ganda.
Your next game will be your last game players. Last 11 games. Last 11 games players.
Kailangan ba? Ayaw sa...
Next set and your last game. RJ, Joshua, Josh and Kevin. 79 and their last game. Josh and Ron. Ferdy and Jim. 39 and their last game. Ace and Romel. Seth and William. 59 and their last game. VJ and Bobby. Jessel and Ferdiel. 69 and their last game. Daniel, Daddy Jeff, Sir John and Johan. 69 and their last game. Stephen and Edward. Vlad and Michael. 79 and their last game. Ezra and Kaiser. JR and Jeff. 89 and their last game. Jean and Lanet. Marian and Seth. 99 and their last game. Leo and Evelyn, JP and P. 39, Patrick, Jen, Mami JR and Gian. Our last game for tonight, Jeremy, Ezra, Christian, and Queen. Last 11 games, players. Last 11 games. Please set up your queue here in court number 2.
Magkano?
Thank you.
Meron pa estudyante.
Hindi gumawa ka ng
Isip ko ang masters eh.
Masters. Or
Diba, estudyante pa rin naman.
pwede. Nakalagay doon sa ano nila, may
As long as estudyante, no? Regardless kung ano. Sa kabila ng bata.
Ha?
Yun na rin yun na parang sa... Sabi nga daw, umaba na yung...
Ha?
Kaya mo na.
Part 2 and your last game, Josh and Ron, Kirby and Jim. Part 2 and your last game, Josh, Ron, Kirby and Jim. Part 2 and your last game. Last 10 games players, last 10 games, Arden, Joshua and Jonah and Kevin, Ace and Romel, Seth and William, Vijay and Bambi, Jessel and Freya, Daniel, Brady Jeff, Sergio and Johan, Joshua and Seth, Vlad and Michael, Ezra and Kaiser, JR and Jeff, Edward and Maria, Nanette and Daniel, Leo and Evelyn, JP and Tim, Patrick and Jen, JR and Gian. Our last game for tonight, Christian, Arne, Jeremy and Jim. Last 10 games players, last 10 games. Please settle your 3-3 number 2. Arden and Joshua, Jonah and Kevin, Ace and Ronel, Seth and William, VJ and Rambi, Jessel and Fernell, Daniel and Abigail, Sir Joe and Johan, Kaiser and Joshua M versus Vlad and Michael, Ezra and JR and Jeff, Edward and Marlon, Nadia and Jean. Leia and Evelyn, JP and Tim, Patrick and Jen, Mami JR and Gian. Our last name for tonight, Jim and Jeremy. Last game. Next game. Gusto pa ito? Last 10 games players, last 10 games. Arden and Joshua M, Jonah and Kevin. 79 and their last game. Ace and Romel, Seth and William. 39 and their last game. VJ and Bambi, Jessel and Fernell. 49 and their last game. Daniel and Daddy Jeff, Sir Joe and Johan. 59 and their last game. Kaiser, Jim, Vlad and Michael. 69 and their last game. Ezra and Stan, JR and Jeff. 79 and their last game. Edward, Marian, Nana and Daniel. 89 and their last game. Leia, Evelyn, JP and Tim. 11-9 and their last game. Patrick and Jen, Mami JR and Gian. Our last game for tonight, Ezra and Stan, Jeremy and Christian. Last 10 games players. Last 10 games. For 3 and their last game, Arden and Joshua M. Joshua, Jonah, Kevin. Court 3 in their last game. Arden and Joshua F. Jonah and Kevin. Court 3 in their last game. Arden, Joshua, Jonah, and Kevin. Court 4 in their last game. Court 4 in their last game. Arden and Joshua M, Jonah, and Kevin. Last 9 games players. Last 9 games. Last 9 games players, last 9 games. Ace and Romel, Seth and William, Vijay and Bambi, Jessel and Ferniel, Daniel and Daddy Jeff, Sergio and Johan, Kaiser, Jim, Vlad and Michael, Ezra and Stan. Court 1 in their last game. Ace and Romel, Seth and William. Court 1 in their last game. Ace and Romel versus Seth and William. Court 1 in their last game. Court 1 in their last game, Ace, Romel, Seth, and William. Court 1 in their last game, Ace and Romel.